Was that actually a sound that you heard? Oh, the door is closed, that's why. I'll bet you. Yeah, that's what it is, huh? Okay, who is it? Keenie Kai. Oh, Keenie Kai Kai. You went downstairs, huh? Yeah. There's nothing downstairs, just empty rooms. Yeah. You like to slip down there and see what's going on there, huh? You must have been playing with that cat food. Okay. Here you go, baby. I'm going to get you some more. Hang on. I'm just putting some more. Okay. There you go. Is that good? You still don't like the canned food? Nothing. Doesn't matter what brand I buy. She doesn't like it. She's going to be like Mick-Mac. Mick-Mac didn't like to eat very much. She nibbles and that's it. But you know what, sweetheart? We're gonna get you some milk. I didn't give you any milk yet today. Yeah, because you were off gallivanting downstairs. Quit with the teeth marks. Look at all the teeth marks you put in there. We don't need ventilation in the bag, honey bunny.